There is no lawful obligation to notify cops that you are carrying until they ask. And once they ask, you have to answer honestly as well as present your CPL. Now, Washington doesn't explicitly mention the stand your ground statute, but the same principles are pretty much codified within the statutes. The law is pretty clear on this one. If you're in a place where you have a legal right to be, there is no duty or obligation to retreat. The courts have affirmed that you can use deadly force to defend yourself if facing an immediate, imminent fear of death or great bodily harm to yourself or another person. And the same philosophy is even stronger within your home. But I wonder, why don't they just say castle doctrine and stand your ground? You guys let me know. Washington has also passed some major gun control laws recently that you need to know about. As of July of 2022, it is illegal to import or purchase any magazine that can hold more than 10 rounds. However, if you own them before July of 2022, you're grandfathered in. In 2023, Washington passed a ban on the sale or transfer of most AR-15 style rifles and similar semi-automatic firearms. If you already owned one, you're allowed to keep it, but you can't purchase, sell, or transfer any new ones. Starting January 1st, 2025, all firearm purchases are required to undergo a 10-day waiting period. This is universal and it does not matter whether you have a CPL or not. The infamous safe storage laws are in effect as well. If your unsecured firearm is accessed by a prohibited person or a minor, you can face legal charges. Washington also has red flag laws in action, which means that courts can issue extreme risk protection orders to temporarily remove firearms from someone found to be a danger to themselves or others by court order. This is done after a formal hearing. And for hunters, if you also happen to be a CPL holder, you are now allowed to carry sidearms while bow hunting for personal protection. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below which state you want me to cover next, and remember, a gun is only as powerful as the mind that wields it.